Hello, today we will guide you through how to customize fonts in Adobe Express. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and focused so you can confidently change the look of your text without getting lost. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find font options, how to browse them, and how to apply a new style to your design. Start by opening Adobe Express. Give it a moment to load so all your assets and tools are ready. Once you're in, open a sample project. This can be any design you've prepared or a template you're testing. The important thing is that it contains text you can work with, so you can see the results right away. On your canvas, click on the sample text. You should see a bounding box appear around the text, confirming it's selected. Selecting the text is key. It tells Adobe Express to reveal the relevant text controls so you can make changes that affect only this element. Now look to the left side of the workspace for the font controls. You're looking for the section that shows the current font name. This area is your hub for typography choices. If you don't immediately see it, double-check that your text is still selected. The font options appear when text is active. Click on the font drop-down. This opens a panel listing available fonts. You'll notice the list displays each font using its own style, making it easier to visualize how your text will look before you commit. Take your time here. This is where the creative decisions happen. Scroll down and look for a sample font you'd like to change to. Browsing helps you spot a style that matches your project's tone. Whether you're going for clean and modern, bold and eye-catching, or something more decorative. Pay attention to legibility and mood. Your font should support the message and be easy to read at the size you're using. When you find the sample font you prefer, click on it. Adobe Express will apply the change immediately to your selected text so you can see the result in context. If the font offers multiple styles, such as regular or bold, those will typically be available under the same family. If the result isn't quite right, you can click another font and compare. Don't worry about making a perfect choice on the first try. Testing a few options is part of the process, and you can always undo if needed. That's it. You've opened your project, selected your text, located the font controls, browsed the list, and applied a new font. With these steps, you can quickly refine the personality of your design in Adobe Express.